There we go, Mr. Walk Life in the building. Come on, y'all. Let's get it. I done already did my stretches. Make sure you do your stretches first before you do anything else. Get them knees up high. Yeah, go closer. Let you see. I'll go for about 10 minutes today. Get it jumping. There we go. Hey, King. See that train about to go past us? Wow. There we go. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Where you going, King? We out here. Get on close. Yeah, you see I'm chopping them legs still. All right. Go to train. Beautiful day. Just chilly out. All right. Come on, let's do some of these jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Get some arms in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, y'all. Get some neck in. Always keep your walk on though. You ready? 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Other way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Down with it. 5, 7, 8, 10. All the way back. 5, 8, 9, 10. There you go. All right, let's get some more legs in. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. All right, y'all. Let's get some more arms in. Y'all see me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, stretch it out. All right. Keep the walk on. There we go. Chop them legs up a little bit. Get a good workout in. There you go. Hey. There you go. Yeah. It's a walking workout. You know, jump in front of that TV with me. Let's do what we do. Oh, can't stop. See, I got the M's on my hand. There you go. Whoa. Ooh-wee. All right. Ain't no stopping, Kane. Ah, boy. Ah, my boy. Y'all ready? It's 25 jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whoa. You know what? I ain't gonna stop. That's 18. Let's keep it going. 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It ain't never perfect, but you gotta stay determined to keep going. Y'all ready? Let's get the neck in. All right, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way back. 10. There with it. 10. There you go. All right, Kane. Come here, boy. Come here, big pretty. All right, keep your walk on. Come here, Kane. Come here. Get down here, boy. There you go. All right, let's do some leg crunching. There you go. Hey. Getting this exercise in. You see? Whoa. Hey, there you go, big pretty. Come on, let's do some leg chops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Let's keep it going. Come here, Kane. Another set of them jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, there you go. Let's do some more arms. Okay? Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, there you go. All right, get some more necks. Always get that neck exercise in. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We almost done, Kane. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Side. 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down with it. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. All the way back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Know I gotta do a little extra stretching on the neck, man. Keep that neck right. You know what? That's 10 minutes, Mr. Walk Life. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace out. One love.